Hello guys, we are back with another video on how to import product reviews from CJ Dropshipping to our Shopify store. First, make sure that you have at least one product in your Shopify store. In the next step, go to Apps and click All the recommended apps. Open the Shopify App Store and now at the search box, search for product reviews. Select this app here that is from Shopify. Click Add App and now install app. Now what we have to do is go at Online Store and add the themes, click Customize. Now select to edit the product page template by clicking Products and Default Product. And now here at the template, click Add Block and add reviews. Click Save and close this tab. Now found the product at CJ Dropshipping store. I've found this one. So scroll down and add the buyer reviews, click on it and click Export Reviews. Save the file of reviews and go back to our Shopify store. Now what you have to do is go at the exact product and copy the slug here. Now find the file with reviews that we exported from CJ Dropshipping store. Open it and at the product handle, paste the slug of the product. Click on this square and drag and drop until the last review. Now save this file and go back to our Shopify store. Now click Apps and go to Product Reviews. Now here there is a button that says Import Reviews. Click on it and choose the file we modified earlier. Import using month, day, year, date format and click Import Reviews. Now most of the time all of your reviews will not be successfully imported. As you can see, it says that not all of your reviews were successfully imported. 4 reviews were imported and 1 review failed to import. So click Import Reviews and click Cancel. Now refresh this page. And as you can see, I have 4 reviews imported successfully. Okay guys, this was all what we got for today. If you found this video helpful, please like and share this video. And also don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so don't miss any video of us. Till the next time, see ya.